Okay, now we're gonna see the greatest part of this tutorial and of this tool basically. So this we are talking about the web page creator. The web page creator is really the point where you summarize all your efforts while you produce different components for your web pages and you assemble them together to create your web pages. So you click on web page creator here in the settings area, and once you click over, you have the opportunity to select the kind of page you want to create. Here you can see you have different pages, you can scroll them, and they have different thumbnails. You can create a thank you page with a widget, or a thank you page with a video, or a page with a video and a widget and an order form, etc. Okay, or here a video with an order form, or a video with an opt-in form. So if you click, for example, here on the video and the opt-in form, you can see here you have your video, and here you have the video and the opt-in form. Okay, so you select the page type, and you can see here the description page type is video plus opt-in form with an horizontal alignment. You can have also the opt-in form in the vertical alignment, so that opt-in form is underneath the video. Okay, or you can have no video but a widget plus an opt-in form. You're gonna see the example now with a video with an opt-in form. You select that. You can see here now is border is gold now when you select, and then you can click on step 2 and see what happens. Here you can see you in this step 2 you define you select which kind of template. Before you created templates, and now you assign a template to this page. Okay, and it's very easy to use because now we said before we have a video. Here we are. This is a preview area. We have a video. We need to define the template. We click here on the list. We have the list of our template, and we select one of the last templates that we created. Here you can take whatever you want from of the templates that you created. Okay, here we have also, this is you can select one of those templates that you created before. Okay, okay, or yeah, you can just click over this point and your template is automatically selected. You can see here. Okay, we were making some exercise, so we have different formats. Okay, let's say that we define any of this with a vertical menu, or no. Okay, if we don't have any data, we are also informed. Okay, or okay, and okay, so you can select one of your templates wherever you, and then you can see here you have the preview. You can see here you have the super headline, the headline, and sub headline that we can define later. Okay, this is very important, especially if you're creating if you're making money with internet marketing. You're always given an offer in the headline, and you anticipate the offer in the super headline, give something shocking, and in the sub headline you give more information about what you state in the headline. See here we have our video. We see how to do with our video, and then we're gonna select the opt-in form. For example, we create one opt-in form in our list, and here we have our opt-in form, but we can select whatever we want as opt-in form here. Okay, and here we have our opt-in forms. So you can see it's very easy. You don't need really to know anything about HTML. You format your template before, you create your opt-in before, you embed also your autoresponder. Okay, so nothing to do, is already there. Okay, now we're gonna see in the step 3. In the step 3 you can define a super headline. You can say shocking message, and then this is watch this video to see what's on offer. Okay, and here you see the super headline and the headline, and you can also say something here in the sub headline. This is the new strategy that marketers are using today, okay, and etc. And then you have the preview of your super headline and sub headline, okay, new search. Okay, then here if you want you can also add additional code. Here you can have, for example, your PayPal button or whatever you want, an image or whatever. You copy your HTML code and you paste that, and this will be shown underneath here, your video and your opt-in form. You can see here your video here on the right side, your opt-in form, and underneath you will have your HTML code if you're gonna type something here. Okay, this is optional. Okay, we don't do that for the moment. We're gonna step 4 and we configure our video. So we say that we want a page with an opt-in form and a video. So we want to say we want to use our hosted video, or we want to have a YouTube video, or we want to have an embed video code or a video URL. So if you click on hosted video, now here you can see that first of all we can define the video URL. We're gonna take one video that we host on our server, and we're gonna check if this is the video URL is correct. And you can see here we have the video, a new URL. Okay, so we have the video underneath, and we need to have the flow player package. We click over this link if we and we have we can copy this on our desktop. For example, we unzip the file and then we upload the files into the flow player path. It's a flow player path where we're going to use. So we say that is our website and /flow player, then this is the folder we're going to store our files, and then we define that folder and we're gonna upload all the flow player files to your server. Okay, if you want to know how we are how to use flow player, just watch our video tutorials about flow player. If you don't know how to find them, just send us an email and we'll show you. You can find a video tutorial related to flow player. Okay, then you can say that I want to have the video in autoplay, okay, or a new era for auto buffering or not. And the size, you can change the size of the video. Here you can see you can have different sides, okay, big sides or whatever you want, and you have your preview underneath here. Okay, or then you go on step 5, or you may want to have a YouTube video. You click on YouTube video and you're gonna take one YouTube video. For example, we get this video here. Okay, it's a marketing video. We copy we paste that here. Okay, they say the video URL is invalid, gonna check, but anyway, sometimes because it's a complex YouTube video URL, but this, you can see here that video is shown anyway. Okay, just like before, we cannot copy the embed code because the user disabled this function. Then we're gonna click on another video where we have the possibility to embed, and here we have the embed code. We can also say we want to have the progress bar. Okay, we watch this video. As you can see,
YouTube Assassin is absolutely amazing. YouTube has all.
You can see the progress bar is not the real YouTube progress bar. We are using our special customizer to create YouTube progress bar.
It's been very difficult for me to focus on it. It's not the same.
Okay, and we want to have the progress bar or not. Okay, here we are.
YouTube Assassin is absolutely amazing.
Okay, no progress bar. Okay, or you want to change the size. You want to have a small one, and here we have a small one. Or we want to embed our video code. We have, for example, an example from MetaCafe. We can embed any kind of video. Just copy and paste this MetaCafe code, and here we are, we have a MetaCafe video. Okay, or you may want to have a video URL, and we're gonna take another example, the same example for the video URL for this MetaCafe video. Okay, gonna paste that, and we click over, and okay, gonna click over the video, and we have the video. Okay, so pay attention also which kind of URL they're giving. Sometimes there are some information that maybe we cannot validate as video. Okay, then here you can change the size of the video as well. Okay, we're gonna back to, we're gonna use our hosted video. Okay, and if we are using our hosted video, what we're gonna do is step 5, and we have the opportunity to, here for example, we didn't define any code in the HTML area, but let's say that we want to have some code. I'm gonna take some code. For example, I'm gonna take here an order form, and then I want to paste here and the optional HTML code, and here we are. If I want to have my hosted video, then I have the opportunity now here, if I have the body, of course, option or not, I can assign events to this video. I can say that I want to show the opt-in form on the right side at video start, or I want to show the opt-in form at video end. Okay, for example, I'm giving an offer, I want to show the opt-in form at the end of the video, so that I want that my user is distracted when the video is finished, and then the opt-in form is shown just at the end of the video. Or for example, I have a message, and in the middle of the video, or exactly at 10 minutes and 3 seconds, my first message is finished, and I want to show this opt-in form, or even the HTML form that underneath the video, this optional HTML code that I defined before. Of course, now I input the code, and so this part is shown. Otherwise, if I remove the code here, okay, and this part is then removed, now we just have that hover, okay, and we can execute, so we can say show the body at the video end, and show the opt-in form after 4 minutes and 10 seconds. But of course, we have to be sure, we have to know the duration of the video, and we have to know exactly when we want this opt-in form to be shown. Okay, when we click on step 6 with the last step, we have the HTML code. Okay, and then just what we need only to click over this text area. The text is automatically selected, and then we copy this. We're gonna to paste that on even a use testpad, and we copy on editor, and we can save that, and we can give a name like video.html, v.html, and we're done. Okay, and we click that and save. We have also some styles. We are going to use the template files before we save the template, but we should save the style of the template in the file styles.css in the same directory where we have the template file, and where we're gonna save also this HTML file. Okay, otherwise we need to change this and click on this button to apply the changes. The same is for the opt-in style file. We have the opt-in styles.css file, or if we're gonna change before the name, then we need to change this name also here, and click on execute here on the right side. And the video style, we can have also video style. We can see also how to set up video styles. This is a special bonus for those that purchased the tool in special conditions. you have the opportunity also to define a video styles where you can format the player box and the canvas of the video container basically. So or you can have the border of or shadow of your video. Okay, then you define a video style if you have a video file style file defined. Okay, then in this case would be video styles.css. These are our defaults. You can say, you can change that, and then you click on the right on the real name if applicable, and I click on this button on the right side to execute, and you're done. And in the next video we're gonna see some results. Okay, thank you for watching this video. This is really the core of our tool, and really spend all the time to watch again this video if you need, or send us an email if you need support. Okay, talk to you soon.